What's up, YouTube? Today me and William are going to do a little oil change on the John Deere 1025R. It's part of the maintenance. You got to do it. You got to keep up to it. So love to hear the comments of when you think the first one was supposed to be done. 50 hours, 100 hours, or 200 hours. But either way, any comments are greatly appreciated. Here we go. This is how you change the oil. John Deere 1025R. Thank you. So what you want to do is you want to come over here in the front. There's a little lever. You're going to click that. That opens your hood. Perfect. Right down in here is your oil fill cap. Now these things get dusty. Clean it off. Not because it's hot. I'm just going to clean it off. Better airflow through the bottom. This oil nut right there, that oil nut is the one you want to loosen so you can drop your oil. The plus 50 John Deere 1540 weight engine oil. I got a nice little funnel set up here so that we try not to spill. We're going to just put just about 70% of this bottle because it takes 2.9 quarts. So I could have done this a little bit better with So I've tightened down the oil cap, replaced the oil filter, made sure that the nut was tight. I did check the engine oil, but I just want to give it a run, get some oil in the filter, and then I'm going to check it one last time.